Hello friends! Let's make a Christmas Papa mask. I will need these pieces to make it. Circle 17 cm diameter will make the face. The eyes are cut out right above the center. On top of the face is the beard. A square 21 into 21 cm. Beard is drawn symmetrically. On top of the beard, the moustache, 21 into 5 cm. Moustache is drawn using curvy lines with sharp ends. Here is the cap, rectangular piece 15 into 23 cm. Two curves drawn on the rectangle will make the cap. The down part of the cap and the cotton ball. Lastly, the nose. Now I'll cut the pieces and stick them.